Hey, we are back for Miami Boat Show follow-up week. This is episode, I don't even know which one this is going to be.
Boat Show Day 2.
And today I'm actually talking to Greg from Mantus about a new boat product that they have. They're pretty excited to share it with you, and it was pretty cool. So take a look. We're at the Miami Boat Show with Greg Kutsen from Mantus Anchors. He's the owner of Mantus Marine, from Mantus Marine. And they actually make the anchor that we use on the boat. We did a review of it. They have a brand new dinghy boat. This is new for the industry, and tell us a little bit about it.
Well, the idea was to make something longer lasting, more durable than an inflatable, but have the feel of an inflatable. So it's a rotor-molded boat. You can see it's solid. It's a plastic with a layer of foam, so if you puncture holes all around it, still, with people and the engine in it, still floats. It performs amazingly well. It planes with much easier than rigid inflatable. To give you an example, if you put 3 people in the boat in a 15 horse Tohatsu or 15 horse outboard, which is 15 horse is what we recommend, it will do 17 knots.
Cool.
A lot of storage. You can see the bags there for storage. You can store things internal to the tube. And all boats come standard with the wheels you can see in the back. So on the beach, you can easily pull it up. And lastly, what's cool about it is the fact that, say the engine comes out, sometimes it's important for the customer to be able to row. Rows amazingly well. So these oars are long and allows you to have long stroke and really good rowing.
Awesome.
Yeah.
It comes with the oars, obviously, the fuel tank. And you said 15 horses the max?
We recommend 15 horse max because with that engine, you end up going, so a single person with a 15 horse ends up going 23, 24 miles an hour. Mm-hmm. And with this little boat, going in mid-20s is already pushing it, you know?
So another big thing that people that have dinghies want to know is how heavy they are to lift them up on the boat and stuff like that. What does the weight come in at this boat?
So right now, as is with wheels and fuel tank, it's 220 pounds.
220 pounds. Okay. Very cool. Very cool. So it comes with the wheels, comes with the oars, comes with the fuel tank.
Dry storage.
Dry storage. There's one over here too.
Mm-hmm. Storage inside the bags. Then the deck plates behind the bags if you want to put something more stashed away more permanently. There's a little cleat for anchoring. Good sturdy handles. The oars could be stored under the seat if you choose not to have oars here. There will be an option for a step ladder to climb in. And that's pretty much it.
When is it going to be available?
April.
April. All right.
April
and
this year.
Is it already up on your website?
It's already up on the website.
All right, we will link to that website below. So check out the link below if you want to learn a little bit more about this boat and see it in action. And April, I'm pretty excited. I think we need to do a review of it. I think it needs to be on the show. Like,
Done.
We need to get it on the water.
Done.
Cool. Epic.
Thank you.
Greg,
Thank you,
thanks for
Jonathan.
being on the show. Thank you for checking out this episode of our Miami Boat Show recap. And we'll see you guys next week.